menu, 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 entree, 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 beverage, 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 appetizer, 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 dessert, 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 menu. For example, let's review the menu to choose dishes that suit everyone's preferences. Entree. For example, for the entree, I recommend the grilled salmon. Beverage. For example, we should order some beverages for the meeting with our clients. Appetizer. For example, today's appetizer is shrimp cocktail. Dessert. For example, would you care for some dessert to finish off your meal?